Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a modern classic that's been reimagined for today's roads, the 2025 Morris Minor 1000 Traveler. It's a name that carries history, charm, and practicality. But does this new version live up to its heritage? Let's find out. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Traveler stays true to its retro roots while incorporating a sleek, modern twist. You've got this beautiful blend of old-school curves and sharp lines that give it a timeless look. The signature wooden panels on the sides are a nod to the original, but they've been re-engineered with sustainable materials and treated to withstand the elements. Up front, the rounded LED headlights are a perfect mix of classic styling and modern tech. And these 16-inch alloy wheels, with their vintage-inspired design, complete the look beautifully. Plus, the color options are fantastic, everything from a rich British racing green to a vibrant Sunburst Yellow. Now, let's step inside and see what the interior has to offer. The first thing you'll notice is how the retro theme continues, but with a high-tech twist. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display that's seamlessly integrated into the classic design. You've got soft-touched materials everywhere, from the leather-wrapped steering wheel to the plush upholstery, which comes in a range of customizable options. The seats are surprisingly spacious and supportive, with heating and cooling as standard. And check this out. There's ambient lighting that you can customize to suit your mood. The infotainment system is top-notch, featuring a 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The onboard navigation is fast and intuitive, and you've got a premium sound system by Harman Kardon that fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. There's plenty of storage space, including clever under-seat compartments, and the rear seats fold flat for additional cargo room. Speaking of cargo space, the Traveler's boot has been thoughtfully designed to maximize usability, with a flat loading floor and a powered tailgate. Let's talk performance. The 2025 Morris Minor 1000 Traveler is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivering 130 horsepower and 180 lb-ft torque. That may not sound like much, but in a car this light, it's more than enough. The Traveler is nimble and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for city driving, but it's equally at home on the open road. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps with ease, and the steering is precise, giving you a real sense of connection to the road. For those looking for an eco-friendly option, there's also a fully electric variant that offers a range of 220 miles on a single charge. So, what about pricing? The petrol variant of the 2025 Morris Minor 1000 Traveler starts at around $28,000, while the fully electric model comes in at just under $35,000. With all the customization options available, you can easily tailor this car to suit your style and budget. All in all, the 2025 Morris Minor 1000 Traveler is a brilliant homage to the past while embracing the future. It's stylish, practical, and a joy to drive. If you're someone who appreciates classic design with modern functionality, this car might just be the perfect fit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this for a spin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.